Come test drive 2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, leather, daytime running lights, alarm, rear spoiler. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.